Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is the Genesis Coupe. It's our weekly night drives. This one's a little earlier in the night. It's like, what, 9 p.m. right now? I'm with my Genesis Coupe right here. It needs a wash. I don't know if you guys can see the dirt right now on camera, but it definitely needs a wash. I don't know if I want to do it right now or if I just want to like drive, because I do have an early morning shift tomorrow. I really don't want to drive late night, so I think we're just gonna drive early on in the night and, you know, just chill out before we have to wake up at like 6 a.m. But yeah, Genesis Coupe, add-on wheels right there. We also got a custom exhaust on this. We are running a single, actually no, this is quad tips right there. I don't know why I said single. I wanted a single so I can get louder pops, but it's a ISR exhaust, race exhaust, straight piped all the way. We got the down pipe, test pipe, mid pipe, ISR race exhaust on the axle back. Let me pop my trunk, bro. I haven't popped my trunk. Let me pop my trunk, bro. Here we go. On the car, under the hood, we got, let me turn on my light here. We got the K&N cold air intake right there with the GFB blow-up valve. Wired it all the way. Hose it up. What else are we missing here? Nothing much, to be honest. I should really check my coolant. I can smell my coolant burning. But yeah, one thing I like about the GFB is that, like, yo, you can adjust it, bro. It's beautiful. So right now, since we're cruising, I'm gonna leave it all the way open so you guys can hear it. And yeah, I think I need to clean it. I don't know if we're good. I think we're good. I don't need to clean this anytime soon, but before I was using a custom cold air intake, but this one is the K&N one. And yeah, that's what's under the hood. Big turbo soon, hopefully next year or next season. And yeah, probably gonna get a grill mesh, custom intercooler, aftermarket intercooler. What else are we missing? Pretty much it, bro. I just need to get a tune. Still haven't gotten the tune yet. Maybe aftermarket bumper and aftermarket bumpers, both of them. And yeah, chrome wheels, some lowering springs or coils. But yeah, car's already on for you guys. I just got gas, and gas was what, like 91 from petrol, so I don't think we're gonna hear that many loud pops and bangs, but I think we should be good. But yeah, last video did amazing. Since we were driving in the rain, people actually tuned in and watched that. But yeah, we are in my Genesis Coupe today. And that night I also went drifting, but I forgot to record it. These dials are so good, bro. Like, every time I watch these videos back, I just look at the dials, bro. The dials are like, they're like the main reason why I got the BK2 instead of the BK1. And people said that you could add the dials on the BK1. Oh my god, that car came out of nowhere. People say you could add the dials on the BK1, like over here, but I really wanted the factory one. But yeah, since the car's already warm, like, that's the blow-up valve fully open. I don't know if you guys heard that. Hopefully you guys actually heard that. I need to get an external mic for you guys so you guys can actually hear what I hear, because the wind just blocks all of it off. I think we should take the highway for this one. We're gonna take the highway. Oh, there's traffic. One thing about traffic is that I'm gonna have to show you guys how good I drive. Because usually when I make these videos, there are no cars on the road. But right now, I have to lock in and actually swerve in and out if I really want to show off my show off my exhaust and the intake on this car. Now obviously I'm not gonna do something so crazy where I'm like squeeze Benz or anything, but you know, I'm gonna have to be the average car guy here and actually show you guys how I drive. Holy, look at the traffic over there. That is crazy amount of traffic. Ooh. So close. I don't want to risk that because obviously there could be cops hiding. Let's see if I can get a launch here. Should I launch it? In so long. That felt so nice. Oh, I haven't launched this car in so long, bro. We got up to like 120 and then I actually eased off the gas because I realized this is not the time or the place to be doing this. But yeah, I need to get another shifter though. I feel like the stock shifter is really holding me back. I can feel the tug I'm giving it, right? So I'm thinking about getting a short shifter. Oh, we got a tunnel coming up. I'm gonna shut up. Hold on. I love speeding through tunnels. But what I was saying is I'm thinking about getting a short shifter. I don't know what brand I'm gonna get a short shifter. I'm thinking HKS because I do know they make short shifters. But yeah, if you guys know any short shifters I should get, let me know. Toronto traffic roleplay right here, bro. Traffic simulator. Let's make it a little interesting for you guys. Now I just look like a dumbass because there's no space to go. I think we have another tunnel coming up, so that's gonna be fun. That guy needs to hurry up. He's really holding everyone back here. Here we go. Here we go again. Ready? Oh, that felt amazing, bro. Finally, the bus is out of the way. This is my favorite tunnel right here. Three, two, one. I have a race car. This is a race car, guys. Can't wait to get a stage 1 tune though, bro. It's just gonna be so much better. Anyone who wants a Genesis Coupe, this is the channel you'd want to watch, bro. Because when I wanted a Genesis Coupe, barely anyone was uploading on this car, bro. It's an underrated car. It's just a Hyundai. That's the thing. That's what sucks about it, is that at the end of the day, you have a Hyundai. You get what I mean? Right? That's why no one wants, that's why this car isn't that popular. From the looks of it, from how it performs, bro, it's amazing. What about this car is crazy is that, search it up too, do your research on it, it's true, but This car uses BMW parts. That's why it handles like a BMW, bro. That's why the reliability of it is like a BMW, bro. It has BMW parts, bro. And there's a crazy story on it, but if you guys do your research, you guys will know that most of the parts on this car are the same as a BMW. Is that a cop? I think that's a cop. By the way, I am not running a front plate, and that is a crazy shop. I really like that AMG shop. That's a beautiful shop, bro. Architecture on that's crazy. But yeah, I do not run a front plate. That is a ticket itself. Exhaust is a ticket itself. What else? These windows over here, I think that would be a ticket themselves. If any cop is watching, this is AI created format, bro. AI created. I swear. I swear. It's all AI, bro. I'm not even driving. It's just, this is just AI. Approaching, well, nice, that's a green. But what I was saying is we are gonna end this video right here. Wow, that kid was looking at the car. Gotta give him a rev first. Nice. Okay, you gotta do it. You gotta do it when the kid's looking at your car, bro. It's just a thing to do. If you have a loud sounding car, bro, you gotta rev it for the kids. But what I was saying is I am gonna end this video here. Yeah, it's a weekly drive, weekly POV drive. Next week, I know I say this, I've been saying this for the last 5 videos, bro. That's almost a month. I am gonna get that tune. I just need to know where to get the tune from though, bro. Like, I'm guessing I'm gonna go to Alpha Speed, because they're the most reputable for Genesis Coupes. But yeah, I just want a tune where I have some flames, some burbles. I just want some maps, bro, if I'm being honest. But I'm gonna do more research on that, and if I get the tune, I get the tune. So yeah, subscribe if you guys watched to the end of the video. Give me a like, please. I really appreciate that. And drop a comment on something, bro. What's your favorite car? What car are you gonna get next? What car do you have right now? Alright, though, I'll see you guys next week.